Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly deploy and configure the 3X-UI panel on a HOSTKEY server, from ordering a VPS to creating a VLESS inbound and connecting on Windows. 3X-UI is a web panel for managing Xray-based VPN configurations. It lets you create inbounds, generate connection links or subscriptions, and manage users, all in one place. We'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you don't miss anything. First, open the HOSTKEY website. Go to the Apps section, then open VPN/security. Here you'll find ready-to-deploy VPN solutions that save time on manual installation. Find 3X-UI and select the pre-installed option. Click Deploy to start. Next, choose your location. Or if you need an IP address from a specific country, like France or Germany, to access regional content or services, select that country instead. After that, choose your VPS plan. For basic personal use, an entry-level configuration is often enough. For teams or heavier workloads, select more CPU and RAM. Review the network settings and confirm your public IP configuration. Then choose your billing period, proceed to checkout, and sign in, or create an account if you're new. Once you're in the HOSTKEY control panel, open your new server order. In the software section, select Ubuntu 22.04 and make sure 3X-UI is selected as the pre-installed app. Now go to the automation settings, set a host name, save your admin credentials, and add an SSH key if you use one. Confirm the configuration and place the order. When the server is ready, open the server details page. You'll see the 3X-UI web panel link. Copy it and open it in your browser. On the login page, enter the admin username, root and password provided during deployment, and sign in. Now let's configure the connection. In the left menu, open Inbounds. This is where we create inbound rules, the profiles your devices will use to connect. Click Add Inbound. Choose VLESS as the protocol. Set a clear name, for example, VLESS. Choose a port for your inbound. We recommend using port 443. This is the standard HTTPS port, which means your VPN traffic will look like regular browser traffic, making it much harder to detect and block. This is the key to effective traffic masking with Reality. Now scroll down to the Security section and select the Reality tab. In the Client section, generate a unique client ID by clicking the refresh icon next to the email field. Then generate a unique connection ID. Click the refresh icon in the ID field. Set the flow value to XTLS-RPRX-Vision. In the Reality settings, select Chrome as the UTLS fingerprint. For the DEST and SNI fields, enter the domain that will be used for traffic masking. We recommend using www.microsoft.com or dl.google.com instead of the default yahoo.com for better reliability. Click the refresh icon in Short IDs to generate a random ID. Then click Get New Cert to generate the private key and public key. Double-check all settings and click Create. Your inbound is now active. From here, you can export a connection link or a subscription. Subscriptions are convenient if you plan to connect multiple devices or update configs automatically. Now let's connect on Windows. Download v2rayN from the official release page. Choose the Windows 64-bit build, download the archive, extract it, and launch the app. Go back to 3X-UI, copy your connection link or subscription. In v2rayN, import the configuration, either by pasting from the clipboard or adding a subscription URL. Select the profile and enable it. To verify everything, open any IP check website in your browser. If your public IP address has changed to your server's IP, the connection is working correctly. That's it. Your 3X-UI VPN server is deployed, configured, and ready to use. In 3X-UI, you can add users, manage access, and monitor traffic. And in the HOSTKEY panel, you can scale your server anytime as your needs grow. Why deploy 3X-UI from HOSTKEY? Quick deployment from apps to VPN security, modern setup with VLESS plus reality, your own VPS, full control, no third-party VPN providers, easy scaling as your needs grow. The link to order your server is in the video description below.